Welcome to Leggari Products, everyone. Today we're going to show you an easy DIY epoxy floor installation. Our kits can be directly installed over your existing concrete floors. For more info on our floor kits, check the description below or visit our website at www.leggari.com.
This is one of our old training courses, but we thought it was a good example, kind of showing what it looks like and the tendencies of someone who's doing this for the first time. When this gentleman is using the squeegee, this is the tendency where you want to kind of push and pull, and it's not as fluid at first. There's a couple of things going on. Number one, you're just getting used to the squeegee. It takes you a little bit to get used to that squeegee. That's fine. There's no problem. We have plenty of working time with our resin. He's got the right idea. Just like we were saying, we want to focus on that perimeter, but notice how sometimes when you don't have enough, you tend to just kind of go to another spot on the floor and try to pull the resin over. Doesn't quite work as well. So then Tylor comes in and we just kind of reminded him, no matter how much epoxy you have in one area, if you continuously pull it back and forth like this, you'll pick up resin as you go. So he's kind of doing the edge and the middle at the same time and showing him how to do it just a little bit quicker. Now this is a 9-inch roller, it's 3/8 inch snap, and we de-shed this roller. And the first thing you want to do is put it in one of the bigger piles on the floor, the thicker spots, and just completely saturate that roller. And now what you're going to do is just go edge to edge all the way. You're not pushing down on the roller at all. You're just letting it glide over the surface. Now the gentleman is beginning to pour the highlights out. This is our puddle technique. We love the puddle technique because it keeps, some larger highlight colors in certain areas. It doesn't spread it out and mute the whole floor. You still have those concentrated amounts of that highlight color. He grabbed the same roller. He's just making sure it's saturated. Now he's just swirling the floor. He's going to be working backwards, moving all the way across that floor, just kind of pushing these piles around. And notice how he's doing small swirls, big swirls. He's kind of moving color around by dipping in one of the piles and then setting it out on one of the black areas. And anytime you're dealing with walls like this and you have to hold cardboard, it's easier for somebody else to hold cardboard, of course, But if you need to, just do the perimeter first, then you don't have to be bending over the entire time or holding cardboard the entire time. So this isopropyl alcohol will also help blend and marbleize the black and the deep purple highlights as well. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. Looks like a galaxy. Could be in like a game room or a theater, a bonus room, a garage. It's absolutely beautiful. Notice the highs and the lows you get even with the black metallics. That's the beauty of our metallics. They marbleize like crazy.